Peanut butter.
Jelly. Okay, good. So sabay lang kayo, okay? Huwag mag-isip. Okay, just sagot lang kaagad.
Okay.
Try to be as sabay-sabay as possible. Okay? Already, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 questions here.
Sabay
Okay?
ah.
Sabay. Hindi mag-isip Okay, huwag mo mag-hesitate, Joshua. Okay na magkaiba. It's the differences that make relationships great. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the fast talk with Joshua and Julia. Is it? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Michael Jackson or Prince?
Michael Jackson.
Cassette tapes or CDs?
Cassette tapes.
Ako, looks good. You know what cassette tapes are?
Yung nilalabis pa.
Yan ang legit. Yung sabi kayo, alam niya.
Old school for life.
Alam niya, very cool. Legit. Awesome. Okay. Sneakers or leather shoes?
Sneakers.
That's very nice. Very cute. Traditional leather or texting? Leather or texting?
Leather.
Leather.
Traditional leather.
Texting.
Traditional leather.
So if you were to communicate with each other, you would write him a letter and you would text along.
Kasi wala na yung malapit ko naman sa kanya eh.
Oh, so at least, so he wants to get in touch with you faster.
Yeah. Like, say it to me when he's right beside me.
When he's right,
Kasi medyo matagal mo pagkasulat mo ba?
Oh.
Masama lang handwriting niya, kaya ayaw yung mag-letter.
Really?
Kaya bad handwriting.
Pero it's the emotion behind the
Yeah, that's true.
Pero you appreciate the letters. You appreciate handwritten letters.
Yeah.
Joshua, thank you. Appreciate that. You got it. Okay. We have, board games or street games? Provide an option about the street games.
Street games.
What street game did you play as a child?
Patintero. Agawan base. Pickle is my favorite.
Pickle.
Yeah.
That's it. Ikaw ano, Joshua? What did
Chinese garter. Siyempre yung gagawin niya.
Angkat mo na ka-check.
I know, weird.
So kaya mo yung tanding mo.
Luksong baka.
Luksong baka.
Dinig, or yung tumbang preso, base.
Really. The Chinese garter na daw ay media. Joshua's favorite na was Chinese garter. Makikita na natin yan. I like it. Okay, ito. E.T. or Ghostbusters?
E.T.
E.T. or Ghostbusters?
Ghostbuster ako.
E.T.
E.T. Ano yung E.T.? Do you remember?
You make me cry. Yung alien. Yung beautiful.
Yung kasama.
Yung nasa.
Yung parang ng bike. Di ba E.T. yung phone mo?
Ano yung may kasama?
Yan.
Alam mo yung 80.
Alam mo yan?
He's gonna throw in a joke. Alam? What's the joke?
Hindi niya burger.
You have to watch. Hindi pa niya naman yung E.T.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you out.
Hindi ka ba? Di ba yung ang picture yung buwan na spipay?
Yeah!
That was like, oh,
Yes!
I'm heavily disturbed if you didn't know. Ghostbusters.
E.T.
E.T. made you cry.
Yeah, a lot.
Hindi ko ba yung sinawa ba doon yung 80?
No, wait, you'll watch it soon. Yeah, we'll make you watch it. Yeah,
Okay, summer or rainy days?
Rainy days.
So you like staying at home, so you guys are homebodies.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay, you can on a rainy day you watch E.T. Okay, just kaya yan. Okay. R&B or pop?
R&B.
Pop?
R&B.
What R&B do you like?
I like a lot of Rihanna.
Nice. Very cool.
A lot of Chris Brown.
There you go. Very nice. A lot of R&B roots in that. Ikaw pop. What pop music do you like? Joshua. Michael Jackson, the king of pop. Yun talaga, the king of, he's fantastic. Last but not the least, red or yellow?
Red.
The color of passion. Huwag kayo magtinginan! Ako na yun. Huwag yung gawin sa harap, please. Relax lang. Relax lang. Okay, so good. Okay, a round of applause to Joshua. Very nice.
Thank you.